How does intellectual property piracy impact the economy? Have you ever wondered how piracy of intellectual property affects our economy? It is a topic that deserves our attention. Intellectual property piracy refers to the unauthorized use, reproduction, or distribution of protected works. This includes copyrighted materials, trademarks, and patents. The consequences of this illegal activity can be quite severe. First, let's talk about innovation. When creators and companies invest time and money into developing new ideas, they expect to see a return on their investment. However, when their work is copied and sold without permission, it erodes their potential profits. This discourages future innovation, as businesses may hesitate to invest in new projects if they fear their work will be stolen. Next, we must consider the financial impact on businesses. Intellectual property piracy leads to significant revenue losses. For instance, when a patented invention is illegally reproduced, the original creator loses potential sales. This not only affects the individual business but also slows down economic growth overall. Job displacement is another serious concern. Industries that relying heavily on intellectual property contribute a large portion to the gross domestic product. When piracy diverts revenue from legitimate businesses, it can lead to layoffs and fewer job opportunities. Estimates suggest that millions of jobs are lost globally due to piracy, resulting in billions of dollars in lost economic output each year. Governments also feel the pinch. When pirated goods are sold through illegal channels, tax revenues decline. This means less funding for public services that relying on these taxes. Additionally, the costs associated with combating piracy, such as enforcement and litigation, place further strain on public resources. Consumers are not exempt from the negative effects either. Counterfeit products often lack quality and can even pose safety risks. This is particularly concerning in industries like pharmaceuticals and technology, where inferior products can lead to serious health issues. When consumers lose trust in brands, it can have long-lasting effects on the market. To combat these issues, trademark and patent laws exist to protect innovation and brand identity. These laws create a framework that encourages investment and competition. When enforced properly, they help maintain the economic benefits of creativity and invention by deterring piracy. In summary, intellectual property piracy disrupts economic growth by weakening the incentives for innovation, causing job losses, reducing tax revenues, and harming consumers. Protecting and enforcing intellectual property rights is essential to mitigate these negative impacts and support a thriving economy.